Are you constantly struggling to retain information and study? Do you feel like you could learn more efficiently and effectively? It's time to unlock your learning potential and master effective learning. The first step to improving your learning process is to identify what you're currently trying to accomplish. Whether it's learning a language, a complex subject, or a practical skill, being clear on your goals will help you stay motivated and focused. Once you have a clear understanding of what you're trying to achieve, you can apply the following techniques to learn more effectively. Creating the right environment. Research suggests that our environment plays a significant role in our learning process. To create a conducive learning environment, you can start by ensuring proper lighting, minimal noise distractions, and setting up a dedicated learning station tailored to your needs. A comfortable chair, a sturdy desk, and proper ventilation can also optimize your learning space. Engaging with the material you are learning is essential for retaining and understanding the information. Active learning can take many forms, such as taking notes, summarizing key points, asking questions, and teaching others. These techniques help you process the information, understand it deeper, and apply it more effectively. There is no doubt that repetition is one of the most effective ways of retaining information in long-term memory. During practice or study, information or skills are mixed up according to the interleaving effect. Rather than focusing on one topic or skill at a time, interleaving involves switching between topics or skills in a randomized or varied order. This technique has been shown to improve long-term retention and transfer of knowledge, as it encourages learners to differentiate between different types of information and make connections between them. By combining repetition with the interleaving effect, you can optimize your learning experience and reduce forgetting likelihood. The Explain Like I'm 5 technique involves simplifying complex ideas by explaining them in simple terms. By breaking down concepts into easy-to-understand language, you can ensure a deeper understanding of the material. Memory techniques, such as the memory palace, can help you remember information by associating it with a physical space. By visualizing the information at a specific location, you can create strong associations that help you recall it easier. Spending time offline can improve focus and reduce distractions. With fewer distractions, you can stay focused on the material you are learning and retain more information. Breaks are essential for avoiding burnout and keeping your mind fresh. Napping can reset your brain and consolidate learning. A power nap of 2,030 minutes can give your brain the rest it needs to stay alert and focused. Regular testing can help you retain information more effectively and ensure comprehension. Testing also helps you identify areas where you need to focus more attention. Everyone learns differently. By becoming your own guru and taking ownership of your learning journey, you can create a personalized approach that works best for you. Experiment with different techniques, and don't be afraid to try new things until you find a method that works best for you. The importance of practice. Learning requires consistent practice. Learning stacking or building on existing knowledge can help you stay motivated and progress. Start with the basics and work your way up to more complex concepts, practicing as you go. Overthinking can prevent learning. Learning can actually serve as a remedy to overthinking by shifting your focus to the present moment. By focusing on what you are learning right now, you can let go of worries about the past or future and improve your learning outcomes. Understanding how different people learn can help you tailor your approach to maximize learning. The VARK model identifies 4 learning styles: visual, auditory, read/write, and kinesthetic. To identify your learning style, you can take a simple online questionnaire called the VARK questionnaire. The questionnaire asks questions about your preferences and tendencies in learning situations. Based on your responses, it will determine your dominant learning style. Effective learning is all about creating the right environment, engaging with the material, and using a variety of techniques to optimize your learning experience. By taking ownership of your learning journey and experimenting with different methods, you can unlock your full learning potential. Remember to take breaks, practice regularly, and avoid overthinking to stay focused on the present moment. And importantly, understanding your learning style through tools like the VARK model can help you tailor your approach to maximize your learning outcomes. With the right mindset and techniques, you can become a master of effective learning and achieve your goals.